I think it's a 13-345 Hemi. So let's review this installation of headers, mini cats, simulators. So this is the all-wheel drive model. And I would hope that a professional installer or shop did not do this installation. Because if so, so let's hit it. Ready? Let's do a side view. Ready? Looks good. Oh yeah, it's loud. Clamps are turned to the side. Bonus. So if it's all clamps, I'm curious if the previous owner did that.
Probably.
Because some shops clamp, some shops don't.
Yeah, but mostly, if it was done at the exhaust shop, then it would have been fine. It would have been done right.
I don't know that for a fact. So we'll just assume it was the homeowner or the owner of the vehicle or a shop. So typically, and I will tell you this, the average guy is not putting headers on his Mopar. Go look at the labor charge. Go look up the labor. It's like
6 hours.
it's high. The labor's intense. So I'm gonna say it was done at a shop. Cats are on illegal O2 simulators. That one's pointing to the ground. This pipe is pinned against the transmission cross member. Right? This one over here is hitting the cross member. The cat's hitting the frame over here. And everything's sitting low. So my guess would be that this was for the two-wheel drive model, not the all-wheel drive model. And they just stuffed it under and said, here's what you bought and have a nice day. It's all rigged up. I would have said, hey, I need to make some pipes here to make it clear properly for you, Mr. So-and-so. Yeah, this is a toss-up. I know for a fact that the average guy is not putting headers on his car. Average guy, he has a little toolbox. He's doing it for hobby. He's not doing that.
Well, yeah, but you don't know that the exhaust is done at the same time as the headers.
I would bet you.
Really?
Yeah, I would bet you. I would bet you. There's no way. Go look at the labor. Go look at the labor time to do this job. Catalytic converter pinned against the floorboard. Exhaust pipe barely clearing there. Hanging down low. Hitting the transmission cross member here. Illegal O2 simulators. Probably because these cats aren't efficient at all, but they sell them. They're not 50 state legal. That's why this is on there. So I want to say the header installation is money. They did a good job. Everything else is horrible. Yep, no exhaust manifold. I could be wrong. I'd say the average Joe is not installing his own headers. He could.
Okay.
That labor charge.
So like
3 hours for one side. You're right. So
hours.
6.5 hours if everything went well. I doubt the average Joe or Josephine or others doing it, right? No way. Hold on, it says
for 6.2 only. But I think that's a 5.7.
right. So 5.7, and this is for 5.7. So I wonder.
Well, yeah, but this includes RNI.
Remove the cylinder heads to do the fucking job. Yeah. Did you see how shitty that